Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. We have January's Mini by Me box. So I thought we would open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, already I love the gray and the pink. And then we've got our box contents. Now the box went. Okay, let's have a look at these first. You guys know I like to be surprised, so I'm not gonna look, but I'll let you see. Feel free to pause if you want. And then we have our love spell, manicure how-to. So it makes sense that they're doing Valentine's Day stuff in January so you can get prepped and ready. Whether you're ready to fall in love or break someone's heart, this month's Mani by Me nail art tutorial will have you feeling yourself just in time for Valentine's Day. Okay. Seems like, so here's the tutorial. If you guys want to pause and have a look at that, I will definitely be doing a follow-up video with the follow me tutorial thing. So we will actually do this tutorial in a video. Maniology always seems to do very spiky stuff for Valentine's Day. It's never really like swirly and heartfelt. It always just seems to be very spikes and chains and I don't know. I just want happy, nice stuff, I guess. Anyway, let's see what's inside. What's that? Is that the extra item? Okay, so let's begin with the extra item. Gosh darn it. Where's my scissors? Let's find out what this thing is. Is it a nail file? It's a nail file. It's a collapsible, retractable nail file on a loopy thing. Okay. Okay, I mean, okay. Like I'm thinking I have travel files, but this is not a bad extra gift. Maybe not one that I'm going to use a lot. And honestly, it doesn't feel super sturdy, but looks like a decent file. And I'll probably, I'm a teacher, so I'll probably take it to school and leave it there. For all of my filing needs at school. Anyway, so that was the extra item. Maniology doesn't really ever do poorly with the extra items, so I definitely will be able to use it. Let's look at the plates. Again, very spiky. Okay, so this one is MXM098. Like a heart with bat wings. These look like love potion. Okay, so here's some like nice cutesy Valentine's Day stuff. There's definitely some stuff in here I can use, but it does seem to be it's kind of their MO at Valentine's Day. I don't know what it is, to be like more of a harsh thing for Valentine's Day. Like super sad heart, what? That one's a cute image. So there's some cute images in here that we can use as well. But there's definitely that other side if you want them. So this one is MXM097. And once again, it's got a combination of both types on here. Lots and lots of hearts, lots and lots of Valentine's Day love. That's a pretty image. Well, it's a safety pin. Anyway. Okay, let's pop open the colors. Ooh, it would be great if it was like a pink and a gray. Okay, let me get in here. I opened it right side up, you guys. It's a first. And it's a pink and a gray. Okay, looks like more metallic actually. So this one's called Spikes. Shocker, what I was just talking about. And this one is Pumps. So let me get some stuff ready for some swatches for us. Okay, I have 2 nails ready to go. And let's take our Spikes color first. It looks like a metallic, but it's kind of, so it's a gray, but it's a shimmer, but it's got a shimmer in it. A metallic shimmer, if you will. Glitter. Okay, that's pretty. That's actually really pretty. So it's not metal colored. It's not, silver is the word I'm looking for. It's not silver. It's definitely gray, but it's got silver flakes in it. It's really pretty, actually. I don't know if you can see that super well. Let's see if I turn on this other light. Nope, that other light doesn't work, so that won't be happening. Okay, now let's look at the pumps color. This is, I don't know that I have this pink yet, which sometimes I feel like I never have the right pink when I need it. So it's a very hot pink kind of color, very pretty. In your face pink, which is the kind of pinks I'm after, quite honestly. Okay, so there we have our two colors, Spike and Pumps. Both of them are great for Valentine's Day, so I am very excited about both of those. All right, let's do some stamping swatches as well. Let me get my stuff together and I always do the same so that they can all look uniform. I always do the same swatch on top of my stamps. I don't know, it's just kind of a thing about me. I want to do the Spike color first, because it's so pretty. I really, really like this one. It's definitely one that I would use to stamp. Okay. Pick up and place on pretty quickly. Okay, and when it's stamped, you can't see much of the shimmer. You can see a lot of the gray though. So it's a good gray stamping polish, for sure, for sure. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup and move to the next color. Little cleaning. And on to the next color, Pumps. This pink is just, it's a really pretty pink. Like, look at that. It's just really pretty. It's the perfect pink. I'm very happy about this one. I don't think I have this color in my collection yet, and I'm super excited to see where it goes. Oh, please stamp over black well. Okay, let's see how it stamps over black. Boom. It does pretty well over black too. So here are our two colors. Both, is it Spike or Spikes? It's Spikes and Pumps. Very like me for Valentine's Day. Anyway, so we have our two colors, our Spikes and our Pumps color that we got in this unboxing. We also got our MXM097 and 098. We got our the card that talks about what's in it. And we got our tutorial card. There's upside down. And we got this file. It's a retractable file, which is kind of cool, actually. I don't think I would keep it on my keyring. I think that's kind of the intent, but I think some people might. Although that's kind of like, it also could, it's a dual purpose. It could serve as like a protective tool. Okay, Maniel, okay. I see you now. Okay. Anyway, so a little protective device there as well. So here is our Mani by Me unboxing for January 2023, people. I actually love everything in here. The colors are tremendous. And I can actually do a lot with these. In fact, I will definitely be using these for my Valentine's Day manicure. Because although it does have some like more hardcore kind of Valentine's-y, spiky kind of stuff and chains, there's also some very traditional Valentine's Day stuff in there as well. So I'm definitely going to be using that for my Valentine's Day this year. Okay, peeps, that is it for me today. We will come back and do the manicure tutorial card, so get ready for that. Stay tuned. And of course, if you love Maniology as much as I love Maniology, then you might want to go ahead, run over to Maniology.com, put some stuff in your cart, and get 10% off of your order with the code GrooveMama that you see right here. Okay, peeps, feel free to follow me on Instagram. I mean, you might as well subscribe if you like Maniology and stamping kind of stuff, because that's my gig. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!